You can see that, and we have here we welding the end carriages, and let's see again, and let's go forward again, and motors, and we have two cutting machines. One is a fire cutting CMC cutting machine. Another one is Palesima and cutting machines. And here is our end carriages. And here is our boogie. Normally we use the Nord or SEW for the long travel and cross travels. And this is our painting, shoulder blasting and painting loom. This is our shoulder blasting machine. Here is our painting loom.